Homemade face masks for acne scars. 1 Aloe Vera Lemon Mask. It would not be surprising at all to call aloe vera the wonder plant. Its natural astringent and antibacterial property aids in removing acne scars naturally. It is a storehouse of antioxidants and essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin E along with zinc, which helps in making the scars light. How to prepare and use. All you need to do is extract the gel from the aloe vera stem and mix it with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. The mixture needs to be applied on the face evenly. After keeping the dough on the face for 10 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. This mask needs to be applied twice a week for best results. 2 Apple Cider Vinegar and Honey Mask. This mask is a multi-purpose mask. Apart from lightening acne scars, this mask also diminishes the clogged pores of the skin and also helps in restoring the pH balance of the skin. 3 Orange Peel and Milk Mask. Orange peel in its dried form not only helps in lightening the scars by stimulating skin renewal but also helps in reducing acne formation by controlling the sebum or oil secretion. This mask is super easy to make. How to prepare and use. All you need is 2 tablespoons of dried orange peel and 1 tablespoon of milk. Apply the mask over the face evenly and keep it for 10 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water. Applying this mask once or twice a week would definitely give you visible results in a short period. 4 Cucumber Face Mask for Acne Scars. Cucumber has excellent effects on the skin. It is a natural astringent. It not only lightens the acne scars but also moisturizes the skin effectively. How to prepare and use. Just peel a cucumber and make a puree of it. Now add a tablespoon of yogurt to the cucumber puree. Apply the mask over the face evenly and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries up. After this, wash off the face with cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. 5 Avocado and Honey Face Mask for Acne Scars. When you are considering about homemade masks for acne scars, then you can never forget about avocados. And for any type skin problems, you will need honey. This mask is made using avocado and honey. The antibacterial properties of avocado along with honey helps in treating the inflammation, and the collagen present in avocado helps in tightening the skin. How to prepare and use. You need mashed avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix the ingredients to form a thick paste and apply it on the face. Leave it for 20 minutes to dry up and then wash the face off with warm water. Do not forget to apply a moisturizer after this. Use this mask at least once a week for effective results.